Welcome to Colin's garden restoration video number 1. Right over here, I'm going to show you a couple pictures of what it looked like in the beginning, where I pulled out all of the weeds. This was nutgrass. Right over here, I've planted a dragon fruit. Got a guava tree here. And you might be asking yourself, why does it look like a leather daddy garden? What's going on with all that dark plastic? Well, so I've got the mulch for the garden. I'm gonna add the mulch really quick. Got some big thick nuggets of mulch here. Get this out and then we'll just spread this all around. And we should be able to stop the nutgrass infestation. So here we are. We have all of the mulch added, spanning across this entire section of the yard. Hopefully going to keep the nutgrass infestation down. So this is part 1 of Colin's garden restoration.